Hello everyone. Welcome to another HTML and CSS tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to create this 3D Neumorphic button using just HTML and CSS. First of all, let's take a look at what we are going to create. Before start the video, be sure to like and subscribe and help me to hit 200 subscribers. First, create a button with class name .btn. You can add your own class name also. Then add a text inside the button. This is only what we type in our HTML file. Okay, let's style this button using CSS. Take your button class name and type these CSS properties inside it. You can choose your own colors and sizes. Be sure to watch the video carefully. If you miss something, reverse and re-watch it again. Okay, this is how this looks like after add the shine effect. Let's add the hover and active animation for our button to make this cool. Be sure to watch the video carefully. If you miss something, reverse and re-watch it again. Okay guys, this is the final result. If this video helpful for you, be sure to like and subscribe and help me to hit 200 subscribers. Have a nice day.